দিয়েছি, ঠিক আছে সব? আমি একটু বোর্ডের কাছে যাই, আপনি একটু দেখেন। ঠিক, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে। বোর্ড দেখতে পাচ্ছ না? বোর্ড দেখতে পাচ্ছ? ঠিক আছে না? ওকে, ঠিক আছে, তাহলে স্টার্ট। হ্যাঁ, এই পর্যন্ত আপ টু দিস। হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, okay. My dearest students, I'm actually sorry. Due to some technical problems, I have already been late for a few minutes. Okay, I hope very much that you'll excuse me. No problem. Today, I would like to take a class on transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences. It has already, I have prepared the board, and we should know the structures of the sentences according to me. And here is another structure to interview sentence. Excuse me. Hello. From the sorry, I had to receive an emergency call. Okay. So what I was telling you, this is the structure of sentence according to meaning, and these are the structures of sentence according to structure. So this is according to meaning, the structures of sentence: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. And already you have learned all the structures because I discussed for several times in our classes. And as I was telling, I was most probably up to this interrogative sentence, auxiliary verb comes first, then subject, then verb, and the object, note of interrogation. And here is WH question. WH question comes first. This is another type of interrogative sentence. Those starts with WH questions like what, whose, where, how, when, etc. And then comes auxiliary verb. So you see that is auxiliary verb is must in every interrogative sentence before the subject. So naturally, verb comes after the subject, then object. Imperative sentence, and its specialty is that imperative sentence never takes any subject except the imperative sentence. Those are constitute. Those are starts with that. Sorry. So imperative sentence, when it is affirmative, it starts with verb and object, and when imperative sentence is negative, generally they start with don't or never, then comes verb and object. So this is the structure of imperative sentence, and this is optative sentence. Optative sentence starts with, in general, a special modal auxiliary may, then subject, then verb, then object. But we have to remember that sometimes some optative sentences are possible if even though there is no modal auxiliary may. It depends on the meaning of the sentence. Okay, so optative sentence without may is also possible. And number 5, exclamatory. Exclamatory means that is here the structure. It starts with what or how, then comes object, then subject, then verb, and at the end, note of exclamation. And beside this structure allows bravo, hure, etc. There are special words usually used in exclamatory sentences. So I would like to revise all these structures. This is assertive, interrogative, imperative up to exclamatory. Here the structures according to structure of sentence. If I speak in Bengali, that is একটি সেন্টেন্সে দুটি জিনিস অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ. ওয়ান ইজ মিনিং, দ্যাট ইজ অর্থ, আর এটি হচ্ছে তার গঠনতন্ত্র. সো অ্যাকর্ডিং টু মিনিং অর্থাৎ অর্থানুসারে সেন্টেন্স হচ্ছে এই 5 রকমের: অ্যাসার্টিভ, ইন্টারোগেটিভ, ইম্পারেটিভ, আপ টু এক্সক্লেমেটরি. And according to structure, sentences are of that is three types of sentences. One is simple, and another is complex, another is compound. So simple sentence consists of three basic elements, that is subject, verb and object. And here is a note I have attached to this structure, that a simple sentence may have phrase, gerund, participle, to infinitive or bare infinitive, but not any clause that is in a sentence. So no other sentence can be attached to a simple sentence. A simple sentence means it only contains a subject, a verb and object. Clear? But complex sentence is here. A complex sentence, you can see the structure. There are two sentences, that is two simple sentences, or two, that is whatever you say. But one simple sentence will no be more, that is a simple sentence. So when it adds a subordinate conjunction, that is what I want to say. There is a complex sentence has two parts. One is a principal clause or independent clause, and another is that is a subordinate clause. And the subordinate clause must take a subordinating conjunction. There are three kinds of conjunctions. One is subordinating, and subordinating conjunctions mainly used in subordinate clause. And another is coordinating conjunction, and coordinating conjunctions are used in compound sentence. Another kind of conjunctions there in English grammar, that is called correlative conjunctions, that is in order that, so that, something like this. Okay, so and the last one, compound sentence. Compound sentence, it has two separate, that is two principal clauses, two independent clauses, and these two clauses will be joined by, that is coordinating conjunctions like and or but in general. But there are also some other coordinating conjunctions, those are used in compound sentence. But in our board exams and in our that is standard of education in intermediate level, basically these three type of conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions, are used in compound sentence even in board exams. That is, so there are two. Sorry, just a minute. So these are the structures and the mentioned times. That is the time that I have given you is about to finish. I have to clean the board. So I would like to go to the exercise. And all these things already I have taught you in class. No problem. So I'm going to the exercises. Okay. Okay, let us start the exercise. I'll try to solve some problems of board questions. That is this is Rashtriya Board 2019. Okay. Number 1, that is tell me your age. Tell me your age. Okay. The command is complex.